Impressed is back again with another mind-blowing episode. We're thrilled to show you some of the most remarkable machines operating at an insane level. So grab some popcorn and prepare to be mesmerized as we present to you a carefully curated selection of the most fascinating content from across the globe. Let's get started. A high-speed blade quickly chops zucchini, demonstrating precision cutting. Old asphalt roads are prepared for new paving with a demolishing tractor attachment. Woodworking techniques produce smooth, spherical wooden balls from square blocks. Palm trees are efficiently sliced by an excavator with a precise cutting attachment. An inventive process uses a latex blob to imprint designs inside bowls for decorative china sets. Salmon slicing is perfected with a machine featuring side-to-side moving blades. Worm harvesting from soil is automated with a rotating cylinder machine. Wooden spoons gain their concave shape from a specialized carving attachment. Double-spouted chutes expedite wet cement pouring into wheelbarrows. Tree removal is simplified with a chainsaw digger that rotates around the base. Car compaction in junkyards is achieved with a heavy metal attachment repeatedly falling on the vehicles. An advanced device seamlessly shapes the dough into long noodles using dual metal arms. Tree stump removal is made effortless with a robust grinding apparatus. A giant compactor transforms empty cans into recyclables efficiently. A boulder splitting machine cracks large stones with minimal applied pressure. An entire building is swiftly demolished by the impact of a wrecking ball. Orchards receive uniform pesticide coverage from multiple jet streams. Log processing includes bark removal using a factory machine with multiple blades. Cement blocks are effortlessly cut by a specialized jigsaw blade. Rice harvesting is automated with a machine that cuts, collects, and ties the crop. Bean paste-filled dough is pressed into elaborate designs for mung cakes. A specialized apparatus precisely crafts heat sinks by thinly slicing metal. Uniform bricks are produced from wet cement by a contraption using multiple wires. A unique snow removal system featuring a car conveyor belt and two arms clears streets effortlessly. The grip texture on ratchet handles is intricately imprinted by a precision tool. Envision a tailor-made power washer designed solely for double-decker buses. Watch a mattress get compacted and air extracted for easy shipping in smaller boxes. Creating cinder blocks becomes a breeze with this rapid production system. Wide streets with newly poured cement are efficiently smoothed by a large pavement finishing device. A sophisticated cutter transforms a whole chicken into cubes with a large rectangular blade. Leftover fruits and vegetables are repurposed into animal feed using a specialized shredder. A swift tying apparatus secures objects for shipping in mere seconds. A bricklaying system automatically organizes and paves walkways with minimal human intervention. Brick pavements are removed with ease by a machine akin to scooping ice cream. Discover the innovative machinery behind fence manufacturing. Crop planting is revolutionized with an automatic multi-armed planting device. The behind-the-scenes process of metal hanger production in factories is revealed. Bone grinding for fish food production is achieved with a powerful processing machine. Specialized vacuums facilitate efficient dandelion harvesting. Large cable wires are split to recycle copper using a precise cutting mechanism. Artistic drilling and coring turn river rocks into elegant vases. Gentle harvesting of dried sunflowers is done by a tractor with a multi-headed attachment. The automatic crepe maker mesmerizes with its quick and efficient process. A device effortlessly peels hard-boiled eggs, readying them for consumption. Ladle is formed under the powerful strikes of a factory-shaping tool. Metal cooling during induction heating is managed by multi-directional water jets. Tube openings are sealed and smoothed by induction heating, ensuring durability. The process of propane tank manufacturing in factories is detailed. Witness the rapid efficiency of train track switching mechanisms. Custom-shaped metal cookie cutters are crafted by an assembly of precision tools. Flip-flops take shape as rubber is kneaded, heated, and molded in a footwear factory. Molten metal transportation is achieved using a powerful industrial magnet. Blanket packaging and shipping are streamlined with compact boxing techniques. Hay baling and packaging are streamlined for quick transportation and storage. Wrench manufacturing excess is rapidly removed, showcasing industrial efficiency. Dough twisting for intricate designs is performed by a patient and precise machine. Heavy cement bags are moved with ease using an overhead grabbing tool. Long metal tubes are transformed from cylindrical to rectangular shapes rapidly. Fabric layers are cut simultaneously in a garment factory for efficient production. Coconut dehusking is made simple with a peeling machine. Automated loading of hay bales revolutionizes field work, reducing manual labor. Barrel recycling is facilitated by a massive shredder, turning them into reusable metal. Packaging and sealing sunflower seeds are done with remarkable ease. Wine bottles receive a secure seal with a red candle wax dip in a factory setting. The sledgehammer head is securely attached to its handle using a high-temperature pressing machine. Granite cutting with a water-pressurized jet showcases intricate design capabilities. Algae and plant removal from ponds is done by a rotating excavator attachment. Tree trimming in orchards is revolutionized by a tractor with sci-fi-like blades. Orchard pesticide application is enhanced with evenly distributing jet streams. Factory workers flip upright cans on a conveyor belt using a simple cloth technique. Clay slicing for brick making is streamlined with wire cutters. Hay bale wrapping and transportation are automated with a coordinated machinery setup. Tire recycling involves a rotating blade machine slicing them for repurposing. A food factory robot precisely places dough balls for baking with a conveyor belt system. Hand-placed flat spoons are shaped by a stamping machine for a concave effect. A tractor attachment efficiently harvests corn kernels from the ground. Flat metal sheets are molded into cooking pans using a stamping process. Spindle crafting for staircases involves inserting rods into a wave design machine. Wooden post reshaping from square to circle is done quickly and efficiently. Hydraulic components for large machinery are created by shaping hot molten metal into spirals. Ice slab cutting into smaller cubes is done by a multi-saw machine. A robot aids in smoothing wet cement, making the job effortless. A rotating blade quickly slices a spinning potato into a continuous piece. Car frame dipping in a rust prevention solution enhances longevity in a factory. Thick logs are evenly sliced into boards by a multi-blade saw machine.